Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome to Module 2. Module 2 focuses on shapes and their properties as a follow-up to Module 1, but we are going to begin to delve into the area of spatial reasoning as we explore with how shapes and figures can be transformed. In the What to Read and What to Do section, you see a listing of the readings you'll be doing from Van de Waal and from Beckman, and there is one extra article that you will be reading as to complement what is in Beckman and Van de Waal. In addition to the readings, you'll be exploring an interactive website called GeoGebra. GeoGebra is a website that is often used in middle and high school, but it can also be used in upper elementary, and I've used it myself with students. One of the activities is designed to be exploratory, and then there's a couple more activities that are a little more directed, kind of like what you might do with your own students. In the suggested pacing section, in addition to the list of suggested due dates and required due dates, there's also a visual calendar in case that makes it a little easier to digest and get a sense of what you'll need to do over the course of the 2 weeks. As with the list, there are suggested completion dates as well as required due dates. And the calendar gives you an idea of how you might pace yourself through the readings, particularly in this module when the end of module assignment is a little bit lengthier. The suggested completion dates are laid out so that you'll be finished everything except for the end of module assignment by next Tuesday, which will give you several days to work just exclusively on the end of module assignment. There's a discussion board, and in the discussion board for this module, there are only 2 threads, since the end of module assignment is a little bit lengthier than the one from module 1. At the bottom of the module 2 page is a description of the module 2 assignment, which is a coaching artifact. There is a video that you can watch that walks you through an exemplar to give you an idea of what your coaching artifact might look like. And there's a scoring guide that details the points and criteria that I'll be using when grading the coaching artifact. The coaching artifact will have to include at least 2 examples of tasks. This artifact is really designed to be a follow-up to some of the work you did in Module 1. The Module 1 assignment, where you examined 2 tasks, lays the groundwork for this. And if you are thinking about 2 tasks for this assignment, then I encourage you to use those 2 tasks from the Module 1 assignment, because you're already familiar with those tasks, and it will make designing this coaching artifact a lot easier. The ideas that you shared about the Van Healy framework and some of the graphics that you created, I think are going to work perfectly in this coaching artifact. So please use things that you've already done and thinking you've already completed to make this coaching artifact a little easier to complete. I hope you have a great week. And if you have any questions, please email me. And I hope you enjoy the readings and activities you'll be doing in this module.